this is Crypto CJ, and welcome to today's trade of the day. Today, I want to talk about a trade I did with some help from Altcoin Alert on the coin Yearn Finance, or YFI, and how I used the ladder buying technique to save the day when the trade went against me due to a Bitcoin dump. Let's go to the Altcoin Alert website. Okay, so here we are on the Altcoin Alert website, and at the time I was looking at this, it was 9 a.m. Thursday morning. It's currently 4:15 p.m. Friday afternoon. I did not save a screenshot, so I'm going to try to sort of reproduce what I did. I did the sort based on trading activity, just like I discussed in a recent video. And I came across Yearn Finance. Under social activity, it shows fire. Under trading activity, it shows fire. Under the AA score, it's neutral. In this situation, I'm looking for a score of neutral or higher. If it's below neutral, I probably don't make the trade. So I do my analysis. I like what I see, and I take the trade. Let's go to the Yearn Finance chart. Well, actually, I didn't trade the Yearn Finance coin, or YFI. I wanted to take advantage of some leverage on Binance, 2x to 3x. So I went with the YFI up token, though on second thought, YFI is so volatile, this was probably not all that necessary, but I think I only traded this one other time, and it took me for a wild ride then too. So anyway, here we go. I see that it's trending up, but I know that this is still below its recent high. It was around $43,000 a few months ago, and we're still in the 30s. So on the underlying coin YFI, so on the YFI up, I feel that this potentially has a good trade prospects. So I'm in at 27.278 at 8:56 a.m. The coin goes sideways, then goes down. I have an alert that goes off that lets me know that. So I employ the ladder buying technique, which is where I can buy at a lower price, and then that lowers the overall price necessary to make the trade profitable. However, I've now doubled the amount of money in the trade, so I've increased my risk. So I buy YFI up for 24.822 at 1021. That's my first ladder buy. Then Bitcoin drops 8 or 9% in an hour or so, which knocks down YFI considerably. Another alarm goes off, and I look it over, and I'm sweating this one a little bit. But I traded YFI a few months ago, and I didn't take a trade like this, and I ended up with a loss. So I went against my emotions, and I went in again now I have a third position at 17.436 at 11:56, which is my second ladder buy. And I make sure that the coins or the candles are starting to trend up. When I do that, I want to see evidence of recovery, and I've got that here. Even though the candle's red, it was trending up on the 5-minute chart. I'm currently looking at a 15-minute chart, just to make this all easy to see. So anyway, Bitcoin starts to recover, as does YFI. It trends up nicely. And within about 2 hours of my last position purchase, I'm out at 24.5 at 1346. And I have an 8.383% profit with 3 total positions. Now you'll notice that 24.5 is less than this value here, my second purchase, and quite a bit less than my first purchase. But there's such a distance here between the second and the third purchase that it all works out. And so I've got the 8% profit, and I have 3 times the amount of money in it. So that's almost as if I had received a 24% profit on a single position. So that's how ladder buying works. You can use it to save a trade that goes against you. It works on longer time frames as well. I mean, I use it on my day trades, but it's similar to dollar cost averaging. If you want to use this on the 1 hour or 4 hour chart, and if you're holding Bitcoin or Ethereum or one of the the more prominent cryptocurrencies, you can use this to accumulate, especially when the coin dips, and you can get in at lower prices and lower your overall profit target. So that's how I like to ladder buy. That's all I have for today. Please stay tuned for additional messages and tools and resources in the comments below. I'll see you next week. Thanks again. Bye.